I used to play soccer up here. We had the walkathon up here. This is a field, kind of hilly, yeah. We had trees, and this is the wheelchair access playground, covered play area. It's kind of hilly. Careful if you're running, you might slip and fall. That may have happened a number of times. And these trees over here, well, I learned that if you tell some people to bite you, it's like a comeback to some snarky thing they're doing. I had a boy bite me. After I said bite me, it was disgusting. Like, don't do that. Don't you know that was a figurative, not a literal saying? Some people just don't get phrases and idioms and stuff like that. Okay, and this is the playground. Currently, it didn't used to be like this. And then it's kind of fun. There's a Steller's jay and a couple other birds. So, nuthatch, look at that little nuthatch. And this is the covered play area. So they've kept the roads on both sides. Where the honey bucket is, that used to be the kindergarten. Well, okay, most of the kindergarten through second grade, over by where that bench is, over that way. And then this was all outdoor. The grassy area behind this picnic table here, they filled that in a bit because there were kind of two wings. Then over here was like the third grade ring. There might have been some kindergarten stuff. We'd have art class over here. And then where the barn is, so this is the Sunset Community Garden, where the barn is it used to be a courtyard between the third grade wing and the fourth, fifth, and sixth grade wing. So that'd be like the big kids ring. And then the office and stuff was up here. And then also by that, kind of over in that area was like you would get into the lunchroom that way. And then go out to recess. And recess would be out here. And we got access to the trees and the field and the playground and stuff during recess. So we had some pretty awesome, a nice school. So, and this is one of the turnarounds. And you get picked up at the courtyard. This used to be a courtyard. So pretty fun. So this is the location where Sunset Elementary School used to be located. That's where I went to school, where I went to elementary school. I only went to one elementary school, Sunset Elementary School, and it no longer exists due to budget cuts. It was torn down because of budget cuts in the Shoreline School District. And look who we have a friend. It's a crow. There was a squirrel by my car when I entered. Hello, beautiful. Yeah, you're on video. Thank you for letting me get close. And now I scared it off.